Do you dream of financial freedom and living life on your own terms, but feel like true wealth constantly eludes you no matter how hard you try? You are not alone. In this video, we will deep dive into the three biggest mistakes holding people back from getting rich and how to overcome them. Mistake number one, not learning in a structured way. One of the costliest mistakes is approaching learning in an unstructured, haphazard way. We consume random pieces of information through books, YouTube, courses, without a clear, overarching plan or goal. It's like aimlessly wandering around without a map or destination in mind. And what is the solution to it? Adopt structural learning by first getting crystal clear on your specific financial goals and aspirations. What lifestyle do you want to live? How much passive income do you want to be truly free? Once you have defined those targets, you can start intentionally acquiring the knowledge and skills required to get there. This means being highly selective about who you learn from, seek out proven mentors and experts who have already achieved the level of success you desire. Faithfully follow their systems and strategies while remaining laser focused only on the activities that directly move you towards your goals. Ruthlessly eliminate any distractions or detour that pull you off your course. Structured learning also requires an investment on yourself. Don't try to nickel and dime your way to success by constantly chasing free information. Commit to high quality education through courses, coaching, masterminds, or whatever programs will provide the most concentrated and applicable knowledge. As my mentor taught me, you can't be cheap on the road to success. When you invest, you will have more skin in the game, which cultivates a greater focus and accountability in yourself. Ultimately, your most precious resource isn't time, but focus. Structured learning optimizes where you direct that focus for maximum compounding results. Mistake number two, not creating value in the marketplace. Here's the harsh truth. How much money you have in the bank is directly proportional to the value you deliver to the marketplace. I repeat, how much money you have in the bank is directly proportional to the value you deliver to the marketplace. No matter your skills, if you are not turning them into a product, service, or solution that people willingly exchange money for it, you will struggle to get rich. Value creation requires mastering what I call the three S: skills, solutions, and sales. First, you need to develop in demand skills through education, experience, or talent. But those skills aren't enough. They must translate into a product or a service that provides a meaningful solution to a specific market's want and pain points. Finally, you need to become an expert salesperson. I am not just taking slimly used car tactics. True sales mastery is about clearly articulating the value you provide and how it will transform your customer's life or business. As the old saying goes, selling isn't convincing, it's understanding. When you intimately understand your audience's deepest desires and frustrations and can demonstrate how your solution resolves them, selling becomes serving. Master the three S and the money will follow. But ignore any one of them and your wealth potential will remain capped. And mistake number three, not managing money properly. Let's say you have checked the boxes of structured learning and creating value. If you still mismanage the money that comes in, you'll forever live in financial struggle. Proper money management starts with getting your money mouths in order through diligent budgeting and allocating portions of your income to different buckets. One system I recommend is TWCGO, designating percentages for taxes, wealth accounts, charity, general spending, and operations for your business. But it goes beyond budgeting. You need to develop an unshakable financial discipline by living below your means, avoiding lifestyle inflation, and constantly reinvesting back into your business, education, and wealth building vehicles like real estate, stocks, etc. Embrace a minimal mentality. If you can't manage 100 rupees properly, the universe won't bless you with 1 lakh rupees. Remember, it's not about how much you make, but how you keep it, grow it, and put it into work for you. If you can master money management on a small scale, you will be able to handle large scales of wealth. But if you mishandle little, you will forever be prevented from experiencing abundance. So, there you have it. The three biggest wealth blocks of unstructured learning, not creating value, and poor money management, and how to smash through them. Which of these mistakes have you been making? What's been holding you back from getting rich? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like and the share button. And please subscribe my channel for more such insights. And till my next video, goodbye and thank you for watching this video.